Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 20. Which union ministry organized the Swar dharohar festival? Options: Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of MSME, Ministry of External Affairs. Before looking into the answer, let's see what is the Swar dharohar festival. It is a music, art, and literature festival which was organized to showcase the iconic art and culture of India, also the rich literary art and heritage of Indian states. Ministry of Culture, Government of India, in collaboration with Swar Dharohar Foundation, inaugurated the Swar Dharohar Festival under Kalanjali. So the right answer for this question is option A, Ministry of Culture. And here is another question for you. India's first gold ATM has been inaugurated in which city? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali. And also do not forget to check out my community post.